Hey guys, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Happy Wednesday. Oh my gosh, y'all, it's moving too fast. We don't be having enough time. There's not enough time to do what you want to do. You got to get up extra early to just get it in. Oh my goodness. But anyway, we did get up, right? That's one thing we could be happy about. So I am not going to complain, but I was like, let me turn on the camera while I'm getting ready to get up out of here this morning. So y'all already know it is time to go to the places you don't want to go. And that is go to work. Okay? I will show y'all outfit of the day momentarily, but she got to get ready to get out of here. So I'm going to turn this camera on so they can see some behind the scenes. Y'all, and I went outside real quick to go throw out something because I heard the recycling people coming. Oh my goodness. It's like, it's probably, I don't think it's going to get no higher than like 36 degrees today. I don't even think it was 36. I think it's 34. That's super cold. Super cold. I know I don't say much, y'all. I just complain about the weather a little bit when it's cold. It's starting to really get to me, and I don't know, that there might be some changes coming up in the near future because I'm sick of winter. I love snow and it's pretty, but guess what? It's the cold that gets you. I don't have arthritis or anything like that, but do y'all know that cold will have you will end up with arthritis or suffer from some kind of illnesses due from the cold weather like that? If you wasn't raised like that, like in Alaska and Antarctica and places like that, where you were raised like that, you don't have to, do the worrying. But yeah. So guys, this is pretty much look almost every day. She's done. It's that easy. See? Hair. Put it in a real nice, See y'all in a few. Gotta go make my So guys, this is ginger. I don't know if y'all can see it down at the bottom. That's ginger, pineapple, strawberries, and bananas. So we're gonna get ready to blend that. And then I gotta get up out of here, y'all. I'm running a little bit behind. And I don't like to be behind. Yeah, I just wanted to show y'all this is my smoothie. Okay guys, so here's outfit of the day. You guys know I like it cute, simple, and chic. I ain't gonna say cute, but I just like to be simple and chic at the same time. So I just got on my black riding boots, and I don't know if y'all can tell, but they have like little buttons, and just the metals is like a tannish silver. So I got that on with a V-neck tees, and I got on my cardigan with my hat, pair of leggings, and my riders, and that's it. Oh, voila. So I'm waiting for my coffee. I'm waiting right now for my coffee to warm up. I'm going to go warm up my truck, and we're going to head out. And I'm going to wear my creamish white beanie to go with this because it's cold outside. And I showed y'all the hair. So I told y'all, I just made it, y'all. The garbage truck is right there. Right there, getting people's garbage. You'll see it. I'm still waiting on my coffee. Y'all see I put on my beanie, and I got to get ready to go. So she got a few minutes to go. She's warming up right here on the stove. So, and then I got my my creamer already in the frother. So she's actually done. So that's what I'm waiting on. I'll see you guys. Bye. Oh, y'all, Lord have mercy. This weather is not acceptable. I done let this Lady Blue warm up and it's still freaking cold. Jesus. So if y'all wondering like, well, Sonia, where would you like to go? I would like to go, sorry y'all. I would like to go, I don't know if my hand was in the way or not. I would like to go to like North Carolina because I think their winters is not bad. I would like to go anywhere where in the wintertime, it starts November, December, January, February, March. I would like to go somewhere where it's not cold like we have it here in Ohio. We have like freezing below zero and stuff like that. That stuff busts your pipes and all those kind of things. Oh my gosh, y'all, there's the sun again. But I'm trying to block it. Hold on. I'll just see y'all later. All right, guys. So back to what I was saying. Look at my barista. Oh, my coworker loved the coffee, but I'm like, honey, if you're gonna keep wanting coffee, you're gonna have to give me a little fun, like $2 a coffee, instead of like at the Starbucks and the Dunkin' Donuts. Theirs is like what, $7, $8? Well, now it is. I haven't been there in a long time. But anyway, so I said North Carolina. I wouldn't do South Carolina because I know somebody who lived there. They said my sister staying in Arizona, and that's another thing, y'all. She has been gone for X amount of years, right? And she would call. I think I told y'all this story. She still do it from time to time. I had to let her know, baby, girl, would you please? You've been gone long enough. Stop telling me what the weather is there. We already know Arizona is nice, okay? We already know that's like the desert. Their weather is different. It's like 100. It could be 105, but it wouldn't be like 105 that it would be like in Ohio. So stop that. But anyway, that would be another place. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. I had to come back on that note. And Florida, California a little bit, but Florida. And I already just booked the trip for Florida, so I can't tell y'all too much. But she already has a trip booked for Florida again. Okay, so I'll see you guys later. Hey y'all, I'm back. Several hours later, I'm here at Mama's. Take her stuff, and we're gonna get her reaction. I'm gonna chit chat with her for a little while, and I'm gonna try not to have the camera like on her so much, so she won't feel like, you know, she in the spotlight or anything. You know, I don't want to make her feel uncomfortable or anything. So yeah, I'll bring you guys in. Uh-oh. It is ice on this porch, y'all. Look. Jesus. All right, let me see. Okay, because I ain't trying to fall, y'all. I ain't trying to get hurt. Oh, okay. Okay. It's chilly out there. Oh, my God, it's so cold. Here you go.
Uh-oh. Thank you.
Merry Christmas to you.
Thank you. Well, you know, I don't believe in Christmas like you now.
Yeah, for real, Mom? Uh-oh. I'm dropping the phone. You said you don't believe it? I mean, that's the phone for you. Remember I was telling you about the cordless phone?
Yeah.
All right. We'll figure it out in a minute. But I wanted to get your take on the...
Medium. All right.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'm not about to have my mother on camera for no long period of time. I came here to spend a little bit of time with her because she's going to do her little Bible stuff. I'm going to just chat with her for a little while and everything. So I hope y'all understand if you want to.
Got a nice surprise of a gift from my daughter.
Because remember the black coat, you said it really didn't. You got it? Oh, wait. Now, see, that fits you better than me. Oh, my gosh. Wow, that's nice.
Perfect fit. Thank you, Jesus. Yep, because I'm tired of my old mess I was wearing.
And it's down.
Ooh, you got deep pocket. I put my phone in here.
Yep.
And,
I think it's pocket in the inside, too.
Phone on the inside.
Uh-huh.
In here.
Yep.
Hey.
The other surprise will come later.
Oh, thank you. Yes, Lord.
Yep. The other surprise will come later. I booked us something.
Oh.
Somewhere to go.
I already know.
Y'all got me. Got me a bag.
Catch him.
Uh-huh.
Give him his food. Sitting there by the door.
Oh, okay.
That's his stuff.
Okay. Y'all, Mama's grocery store. She's always blessing somebody. I got jelly. I got, what are these? The Thins. I got strawberries in the freezer. I got that. Yeah, I told y'all, Lil Mark like jelly. He loved peanut butter and jelly. I got green beans. I'm gonna make my own meat with some walnuts and mushrooms to do this kit. And I got, and look, y'all, look, she bringing more. I got frozen strawberries. Oh, Ma, what's this herb? Okay, thank you, Ma. Thank you, y'all. She always blessing everybody, and she got a bag right here for the neighbor. That's a blessing.
Yeah. I got one for you, one for me, and one for the guy across the street.
Okay. All right, I'll take them. All right. Just say, just the locator to locate the phone. See?
Mm-hmm. Oh, okay.
And then if you want to play,
Time and day not set. You have no message.
Okay, so we can set the time and the day.
Today.
Wait a minute.
Time and day not set. You have no message.
Let me see if I can. Let me see something. Yeah, but that's funny about the I remember that way back then. Yeah, I'm gonna ask Shirley if she remember that.
And all the goods are dead except Jane. The girl, the youngest girl.
Yes, ma'am.
Donnie and Nancy. Nancy was in my. Nancy was a class in front of me. And Donnie was like 2 grades ahead of me.
Okay.
They're both deceased.
Wow.
Jane is the only one left. Last time I talked to Florence, that's been a long time ago. She was in Michigan or somewhere.
Okay.
She came down for that last Carnegie reunion we had.
Okay.
She was the only dude there.
Yeah, but they was cooking that stuff. I was like, oh, what is that? I think as a kid, I was like, I ain't eating that SHIT. Even if I didn't say it out of my mouth, I was like, I'm not. They better not expect me to eat that. I ain't eating that nasty stuff.
No.
Smell like boo boo. How house you smell like poop? Yeah, but Shirley, she be like, oh girl, you remember when we used to go to church? I'm like, yeah, remember Teddy Nose used to be running and stuff? He was fat and chubby then. We was going to church back then.
Okay.
Yeah, but whoever they was feeding us. They was real nice to us, whoever they was.
Okay.
But you saying they wasn't on our children or not?
They're not relatives, no.
Wow.
Mom and Dad and Mom knew from when they was young, like, yes.
That just goes to show you how beautiful people are.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
2018. So this was a short-lived business. Very, very short-lived. Very, very short business. So we have February.
It's almost 5 o'clock. I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. Let me know if you did. A lot of y'all have been letting me know y'all enjoying the vlogs. So, y'all, Mom did me good with the groceries, right? And I'm just so glad that the Father spoke to me and told me to give her that coat. And I had forgot, she did mention before that she wanted another coat. I'm just sitting here sipping some tea, y'all. I feel like I'm getting like a little slight cold. I just want to get into bed early. It's almost going on 5 o'clock. I've been home for about a half an hour, so I do need to put up those groceries. And guys, before I went to my mom's house, I was going to go to the gas station, but I had to pee so bad. So I stopped at Habitat for Humanity. I'm going to show y'all what I got for Habitat for Humanity. Y'all going to be like, what? You got that from Habitat for Humanity? Yes, ma'am. And then I'm going to need y'all help to tell me where to put it or where y'all think I should put it. So hold the line. Let's go put these groceries up, okay? Yeah, y'all. I feel icky. I really do. But, y'all, these groceries, honey, this is a 2.5 pound bag of strawberries, honey. You already know that smoothie game is going to be on fire. My apple game going to be on fire. This is grocery store, y'all, okay? I'm gonna make this on my channel when I do like the meat, substitute meat. Okay. So y'all, this is what she got me. This is if y'all didn't see, because I probably was moving so fast. Yeah. And that's what I got, y'all. Groceries. That's some good groceries, okay? But anyway, so my mom's church, they do like a little food bank thing, and that's where this stuff come from. But guys, look what I picked up. Y'all gonna show me where to put this. This was $2.14. Let me tell you a little thing about that. I was going to the bathroom, and then they had some little drawer, like a cabinet dresser. I looked in it. This was in there. So I asked the man, how much was this? He said $2. I said, okay. Y'all know I don't need no decor, but honey, $2? $2? $2? Okay. And then they had a coupon. So I got that. So if y'all got Habitat for Humanity, they offering coupons. So guys, that's gonna do it for me. I will see y'all in another video. What y'all think about what y'all think about this? Huh? What y'all think? Let me know where we gonna put this. Where we gonna put this? She look pretty on here though. But we're not putting her there. Y'all, I will see you ladies, you gentlemen, in another video. Peace.